I was born without arms or legs, and I was different than everyone around me. I feel like I'm always struggling with finding that confidence, but when I do a good makeup, I feel like I'm ready to slay the day. I'm Gabe, and I am 22 years old, and I live in Salt Lake City, Utah. I think I've always had a love for makeup. My makeup style kind of ranges from super soft glam to crazy artistic looks. Ever since buying that first eyeshadow palette, makeup has made me feel more beautiful in my skin. One of my first times going into Sephora was with my sister Veronica, and I remember looking around, and it wasn't just females that were being advertised on the walls, it was men as well in makeup, and it kind of made me feel like it was okay for men to wear makeup. They celebrate all beauty of life, whether that's skin tone, disabilities, ages, whatever it may be, and they make everyone feel beautiful and welcome. My disability is hand-heart syndrome, a syndrome that leaves you with either malformed fingers or toes, or no arms or no legs. I was definitely bullied, whether as a child or as an adult. And there were lots of days where I honestly didn't think that I was going to get through the next day. I feel like I didn't belong in a lot of aspects of my life, and I think a lot of it had to do with suppressing my sexuality for so many years. I grew up in a religious home, and being gay was not okay, and I was told that constantly. I was in such a dark headspace, and I would spend nights crying myself to sleep. I was going through a lot of mental struggles on how to be positive and how to love myself until I learned that I had a voice. When I was 19 years old, I actually had the guts to come out. And I just said, you know what, I'm gay. This is who I am. When I was younger, I once had somebody tell me that I probably was never gonna get married, and I kind of held on to that for so many years, and it kind of crushed me. I met my dream guy online, and it just was an instant connection.
My name's Adam. I'm Gabe's fiance, and in a few weeks, I'll be his husband. The thing that drew me to Gabe first was his smile. That's the first thing I noticed about him. I could tell right off the bat that he was genuine. And then when we finally met, I knew this was going to be something I wanted to have forever.
It makes me get emotional just thinking about my dreams come true. Realize how far I've come and the struggles and the obstacles that I've had to face. And I think if 11-year-old me could see me now, he would be proud because he knew that he stood a chance. Be you, be happy, be brave.